Hey, to turn on or off screensaver on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, you have to just go into the settings. Now you have to scroll down, move to the display. From this, scroll down again, and you have to select this option at the bottom, the screensaver. So first we've got the 4 different options. We got the default colors. That's how your screen looks on this one. The photo table. Now it's empty. I don't have pictures, so we have to click here. Grant access into your photos. Let me just get something from the thumbnail. I can, for example, maybe I'm gonna select only the thumbnail folder. Now take a look. I've got the preview of these photos. From this I've got the photo frame, so it looks basically the same, but it will be shown in the different theme. There we go. And the last one, we've got the photos from the Google. So yeah, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe.